How to update Gate application to the latest version on your iOS. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to get the latest version for the Gate application, then the first thing to do is to open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in Gate and search. You'll then be able to find the Gate application in the search result from Gate Global UAB. Now tap on the update button if available to download the latest version of the Gate application on your smartphone. If you don't see the update, that means your application is already on the latest version. So right after you do that, wait for a few minutes and your Gate application will be updated to the latest version. Stay updated for better security, smoother trading, and new features. So there you have it. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.